Guys, it is finally time for a new update on the Bitcoin price because today the Bitcoin price is exploding and the question is, will this momentum be enough to reach a new all-time high, or do we have to expect a rejection now at the very important $63,800 price level that I already have mentioned in my last couple of videos? Let me tell you exactly what we have to expect from the Bitcoin price within the next couple of hours, days and weeks. We will just jump right into the charts. Actually, I will turn off the lights here in my room. I will just flip the camera over and we will take a look at the charts now. If you guys are wondering, why are you not at your normal setup? Guys, we are doing some crazy operations right now in our shared office. I will show you at the end of this video, so stick around till the end. And also, guys, I will not only tell you exactly what I'm expecting from the Bitcoin price. No, I also just invested another 200 or almost actually $300,000 into a new altcoin. I still have a $1 million altcoin trade open right now, and I just bought my first meme coin. So all of these things I will show you in today's video. And besides that, guys, I for sure still have my $4 million worth of Bitcoin long positions open at the moment that are in a combined profit of almost $1 million. But now let's not talk too much. Let's just jump right into the charts. As always, guys, I would really appreciate it if you could smash up a like here on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And now, since it's dark anyways and you can't see me properly, let's jump into the charts. So first of all, guys, what has happened in the last couple of days? By the way, if you were wondering, why didn't I upload? I was sick, actually. I had a very sore throat. I couldn't speak properly, so that's why I didn't upload any videos. This morning, I woke up, my nose is still very closed and I still have a headache, but without a sore throat, I pretty much have no excuses, and that's why I'm uploading now content for you guys again. And from now on, you can expect it every single day. If this sore throat comes back tomorrow, then I will have problems recording, but still, I will try to upload now from every single day on. First of all, I mentioned in my last video that we just have to hold the $60,300 level. This actually happened. That's why our chances were really high of breaking here. This falling wedge to the upside. We broke to the upside, saw now two, in total even three bounce confirmations here of this falling wedge. So it really showed that the bears fell into the trap of thinking this is only a fake out, which meant that they used all their power, and that's why we had this massive short liquidation here now to the upside. The bulls didn't even need that much volume and power to break it to the upside. The problem now is that we are now hitting the first important resistance, the 63,100 or the $63,300 level, all the way up to the $63,800 level. And we still have to break this to the upside. As I mentioned in my last videos, we had this potential W pattern. This W pattern now simply, to be 100% honest, this pretty much just turned now into an inverse head and shoulders pattern. And this inverse head and shoulders pattern has pretty much the exact same breakout target as our W pattern. And this breakout target is actually at the exact $69,500 level. So now we could say, oh, this is below our 11-year resistance on the weekly time frame, because as you remember, guys, I showed you the 11-year resistance. It was at $70,000, but there is an insane change. I will show you in a second why I changed actually this 11-year resistance to a new price level. And first of all, I can already tell you guys, as soon as we break here above this $63,800 level, as soon as we close a 4-hourly candle above this, I will start scaling up my trades massively. I will probably double all of my long positions. This, for example, this is the new trade, guys. This is the new trade I showed you in my last video. I mentioned to you guys that I opened a new long position, that I already started scaling it up, and this is a new long position I perfectly called in my video. Just for the people that are always asking, hey, can you call your trades? Guys, I didn't do a new long position since a long time. I only scaled up and took profits of my existing ones. But this one is actually a new one that I called live in my video. So guys, just subscribe, activate the bell, watch every single video very carefully, and you won't miss out on any of these trade calls. But yeah, all these trades I will scale up massively as soon as we break above the $63,800 level. But we have to expect actually that as soon as we break above this, that we just skyrocket all the way up to the 11-year resistance. And as I already mentioned to you, there is a big change to this 11-year resistance that we never broke in not a single bull market. One thing that I wanted to mention to you guys, since so far we got rejected here of this resistance area, right? We got perfectly rejected in between this resistance area here. I'm just looking out on the 1 hourly time frame. I'm pretty much looking for the Bitcoin price to form somewhat of a continuation pattern. If we now on the 1 hourly time frame see a massive wick to the downside all the way down to the $61,700 level, stuff like that, I think the bulls are still not ready to break to the upside, and maybe we have to expect another retest here of the falling wedge all the way down, in this case at the $58,400 level. So I won't get all too bullish. The only thing I'm really keeping an eye on is that if Bitcoin now consolidates right below this resistance area and maybe forms something like a symmetrical triangle, falling wedge, ascending triangle on the 1 hourly time frame, I will actually prematurely start scaling up my trades already, because the potential is very high that we are going to break this resistance if we are not getting a big rejection here now. I'm very sure that we are going to break it, as long as on the smaller time frames we are now starting to form a consolidation, in the best case somewhat of a continuation pattern. So this is what I'm keeping an eye on to determine if I'm going to scale up my trades. And for sure, as soon as we have a 4 hourly candle above this resistance, I will scale my trades up massively. Now let's take a look at the bigger time frames, at the weekly time frame, before I tell you about my $1 million altcoin long trade, about the new altcoin I bought for almost $300,000, and I tell you about the first meme coin that I actually bought. Let's take a look. The weekly time frame, guys, the 11-year resistance. As you guys know, the 11-year resistance is a very, very important resistance that hasn't been broken in any bull market so far. And now a very, very big shout out. I remember, guys, I showed this 11-year resistance to Chris from Crypto. He always gives me great shout outs for that. So now I have to give him massive props for showing me a change in this 11-year resistance, because this 11-year resistance, guys, he redrew it, and he redrew it way more perfectly than I initially actually drew it. The first time I drew it, it was not that perfect as he showed me now on his own chart. So he actually, instead of connecting the wicks, he connected the candle closes, the weekly candle closes, and this actually works out way, way better than connecting the wicks. If we go back here, you can see all the closes, the weekly candle closes of our bull market highs are perfectly connected by this 11-year resistance line. And what we now can already see is that also all the weekly closes in May, when we topped out, actually happened exactly at this 11-year resistance. And guys, you can already see what happened now. The last 2 weeks. The last 2 weeks we actually wicked exactly against this 11-year resistance again, corrected down, but we bounced off our 8-year support and resistance. So now the weekly candles are actually getting squeezed in between our 11-year resistance and our 8-year support and resistance channel. And since we have bullish price targets of this symmetrical triangle, for example, that predict a breakout above, or have a price target above this 11-year resistance, I think it's very possible that if we break now the $63,800 level within the next 2 days, or at least within this week, so we have around 5 days left, in the next 5 days, if we break this $63,800 level to the upside, I think the chances are immense that we are going to see a breakout above this 11-year resistance. Okay, guys, I just got a call. That's why my screen recording got actually just... Okay, guys, I just received a call. That's why my screen recording got interrupted, but whatever. I can actually imagine that we break above this 11-year resistance then. So, guys, please make sure to keep an eye on the Bitcoin price now in the extreme near future. And this is pretty much it. I'm just keeping an eye on the $63,800 level and the other things that I mentioned in the beginning of this video. Now, for the people asking themselves, what altcoin did I buy for multiple hundreds, thousands of dollars? It's actually a metaverse coin, Lloyd. It is actually Sand. I bought Sand yesterday. 2 days ago. I actually bought Sand 2 days ago for a total of $275,000 at a price of $1.70. And Sand is now already at $2.70. This I also bought. Big shout out again to Chris from Crypto. If you don't know his channel, just look it up on YouTube, Crypto. He actually mentioned to me that he thinks metaverse tokens will perform great, especially with the renaming of Facebook and so on, and their new focus. And I fully agree with this opinion, and that's why I bought Sand for $275,000, because it hadn't had such an insane run up like, for example, Decentraland had. And that's why I thought, okay, Decentraland Sand is the next one. And I think even that for Sand there is more upside to come, because right now Sand is still in a kind of way, and I also bought some Ethereum for $270,000, but because Sand is still not at a insanely high market cap compared now to Axie Infinity or Decentraland, actually I think that Sand could reach even higher prices within the next couple of days, and that's why I bought it, and that's why I haven't sold it yet. And also, guys, I mentioned also that I bought a meme coin. And I know, guys, meme coins, I really want to make sure that you guys understand this. This now, the last coin I'm mentioning to you guys, this is like a pure gamble. You guys should see this as a pure gamble, guys. I don't even recommend probably buying this, because the chances that you lose all your money is almost 100% actually. But I bought my first meme coin. It's a coin that only has a $7 million market cap at the moment. And to be honest, I looked at the chart. I know it looks a little bit insane. It had a massive blow off top, but we see this a lot of times in the crypto market. This actually was a blow off top as well on the smaller timeframes, and this actually was a massive top as well. But as you guys can see, as soon as the price normally reverses with these meme coins, these low cap meme coins, and FOMO sets in, they sometimes just tend to skyrocket even higher and make multiple hundreds of percentages in a single day. And that's why I jumped into this, because this to me looks like a small W pattern here. And guys, like I said, this is a pure gamble. The coin is here, Corgi coin. Make sure that you have the exact coin and you don't get scammed or anything like that. But like I said, I cannot even probably recommend this. This is a pure gamble to me. I'm only really putting money in this that I really don't care about. Just to make that very sure, guys. This is a meme coin, so you cannot really expect this could go to zero tomorrow. So guys, please just be warned, but it's a fun thing for me. I just bought a couple of altcoins. I took a little bit of profits out of my trades and decided to, buy pretty much my very first altcoin. I also wanted to show you here on CoinMarketCap, so you just can make sure. And also it pumped now again 50%. But like I said, these coins make like 50% movements up and down all the time. Just so you have the exact same one. Look at this Binance margin address. You can only buy it on PancakeSwap, but just make sure that if you decide to buy it, like I said, guys, this is really, you could lose your money instantly pretty much. This is the contract. This is my first meme coin that I pretty much ever bought, and it only has a fully diluted market cap of 7 million. So who knows? I think maybe a 10x, even a 100x could be possible with this. But like I said, the probability that this just goes to zero is for sure higher. But either way, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me now show you our shared office. For the end of this video, I will show you what we are doing there right now and why I cannot record from my normal setup. Let me just go out here real quick. And as you guys can already see, wow, here massive construction going on here in the shared office at the moment. And what we are doing right now, we are first of all fixing here these sound panels. As you can already hear, if I speak into them, the echo pretty much disappears. We will also put these sound panels all over here. So this will be completely closed off. We will have curtains hanging here and also on the other side. So also here there will be curtains. Then for sure we will put a massive TV here. Well, the sun is directly blending going into my eyes. We will put a massive TV here, guys. And I think this just will be insane. And also, I don't know if I can just focus it. Look at this amazing sunset right now, guys. We have an amazing sunset view directly out of our office and from our house. Here, all the ocean, our small private beach here. Very beautiful. But we will also for sure fix back onto these walls our screens, because as you guys know, we bought these very nice screens here, these Samsung frames, where we display our NFTs, our CryptoPunks and stuff, and they will for sure also soon be put onto these walls here again. And then the shared office will be done. It will have a massive upgrade, and then from there on I will just upload videos from my usual setup again. So guys, smash up a like. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future content. And now for the end of the video, enjoy this beautiful sunset for a second, and we are going to see us in the next one. Till then, guys, bye.